New details at this hour following a bus crash in Tulare that sent 15 people to the hospital. It happened just after midnight on Highway 99 between Page Avenue and Bardsley Avenue. That's just north of the Tulare Ag Expo. According to CHP, the tour bus rear-ended a big rig driven by 64-year-old Elino Cuevas of Arvin. At this point in time, it's unknown why the bus driver wasn't able to slow down before colliding with that big rig. The bus had 35 people on it. 15 were taken to the hospital with minor injuries. 17 others reported minor injuries but refused treatment. The bus was traveling from LA to Washington, and the crash is still being investigated.